Rockhounding day.
All right, my brother from another mother.
We're going up there. See if we can find some fun stones, gems and such. Got to do the relay on Dan's ATV here. Alright, so phase one, Dan just dropped me off. Now he's heading back to get Robin. And then he's going to bring her to me as I'm heading up this road, up into this amazing, beautiful valley. And then go back and get Michelle and BECCA for the last route, the last batch. And then we're all going to go together up the valley up in here and kind of meander around, do a little rock hounding up in here and see what we can see. And it's an absolutely gorgeous day right now. It's probably pushing 60-ish, maybe 63 or 4. All sun, no wind, just a gorgeous day, so gotta love it. Known for having these chalcedony or chalcedony desert roses, they call it, or that's a nice little example there. They're this real cool white. They're actually under certain black lights, they glow white, and so they actually have uranium in them, from some of them anyway. But, so those are kind of the real standard, typical white ones. And there's also ones that have what they call fire agate. And some of these, I don't know if that one is one or not, but you want to see ones that have a real deep amber color, almost a real dark purpley color, and that are bigger than that. And those ones actually have some more color going on inside of them. Yeah, they kind of cut away some of the layers, and they've got these incredible looking interiors on them, and these like golds and greens, and are used in different rings and other kind of jewelry. So I'm kind of focused more on those, as a matter, since the white ones are everywhere. You just pretty much trip and you see one. So I'm gonna be focused more on the real deep red ones. Okay, so I've only walked 10 or 15 steps from where I just was before. So this is kind of what I'm talking about. As keep the focus here. Come on. That real deep purple red color in there. But down inside of it, there could be these other deep layers of these almost like gold looking kind of and green kind of ball colors that are all down in there. So that's a pretty cool example there. And so that's the kind of stuff I'm looking forward to hang on to and see what we come up with. Oh, okay, no, he's got Michelle and BECCA. Thought he was going to bring Robin first.
There's the girls.
There they are. It's a lonely road, waiting for my ride. But pretty damn nice.